And hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. Alright, so today I'm going to show you guys how to compress a video so its file size decreases, but the video quality itself doesn't decrease as much. So here is my basic what I upload file or folder, and this contains all the videos that I've finished editing and needs to be uploaded. Now, if I click on one of these videos, you can see they are pretty big, like 527 megabytes, and that's after like rendering them out of the editor. See, 527. Now, usually this is important for me uploading. I do have Wi-Fi, but other people, maybe you need to send it over to someone, or the video file is just too big and you just need to save space. Now, there's a way to decrease this into, let's say, I'll say 50 megabytes. We can get that to around 50 megabytes. So there's an application called Handbrake, and I have already opened it here. It's fairly easy to use. You just drag the video you want to decrease. Remember, it's 527. You throw it in there. Now it already has pretty good settings already, so you don't really have to change anything unless you want to change the format to like MKV, but usually MP4 is perfectly fine. Dimensions can stay the same, filters can stay the same. This, you can maybe like decrease this to maybe in a better version, or you can just go same as source. I'm going to go to this because the video was rendered at this frame rate, so I can't say same as source, or I can even decrease it if I want, because decreasing it to 3 frames, 4 frames isn't going to do much of a difference. But so let's just go like that anyways. Now this here, you can, if you want the video size to be smaller, you can kind of just drag this. So it's a 22 now. Kind of drag this. The more you drag it this way, the lower the quality would be, but the smaller the video size. The more you drag it this way, the higher the video quality, and at most oftentimes the higher the file size. So if you put it at maximum here, it can easily double the file size, so be careful there. So ours was at 22. We can just leave it there. That's a pretty good preset, no need to change that. This also kind of changes the quality. Like if you go ultra fast, the quality would be significantly not as good as what it should be, and if you put it at place bow, I guess that would probably be like, basically if you put this all the way to, yeah, see, place bow quality. So yeah, you can just go fast, nothing wrong with that. Audio, if you maybe want to remove the audio, you can change the audio. You can add subtitles if you want, mark chapters, but I'm not going to do that because my video doesn't need all of that. Now all you got to do is you got to go to browse when going to save as, choose where you want to save it. I want to save it in my YouTube folder. We can create a new folder called compressed. And then inside a folder we can go new video, just give it any name you want. You don't need to add an extension, it will add one for you. So you can just go like that, see, new video.mp4. Then all you gotta do is you can either say add to queue or just starting code. That's what I do because I never add anything else to the queue, and I just go starting code. Now this, depending on how big and the file is and how long the video is, can differ in how long it might take in order to finish. Mine says it's taking just over 40 minutes, under 50, but I can tell you once I like switch off my recorder or pause it, this will decrease to somewhere around 6 minutes, so somewhere around 20 minutes. You can obviously make it faster if you just adjust this and that, but this should be a fairly good preset. So I'll get back to you guys once it's compressed.